This week on Chef Asshole.
What is that?
Dry congealed blood.
Yes! It is
Pretty stinking. And a furnace.
And what's all the blood down here?
Thing?
Bones behind here.
Smell that shit.
What the bleach doing here?
Hey, you British asshole. You like to yell? I invented it. You think you could cook Italian? Stick to fried fish, Mary Poppins, because today I'm making chicken parmesan. This is the money shot of all dishes. Nobody with this but me. But you're a Jew. How would you know anything about it? Jews know more about Italian food than some Italians. Name every city that has the best Italian food in America. New York, South Florida. That's it. Have you ever had Italian food in Virginia? It's called Olive Garden. It's sauce time. You know the drill.
See? Making a sauce can be fun, especially when you know you have to add spices.
Oh, you guys are amazing. You guys are...
Oh my god, what the f?
It's not what it looks like.
Oh, yeah. Listen, I don't hate Gordon Ramsay. I just want to be the biggest asshole on the internet.
What are you? Just a British man with a lot of insecurities and a sandwich.
Wet hand, chicken juice, dry hand. Wet hand, chicken juice, dry hand. Why don't you take your dry hand and stick it up your wet ass? It's time to fry these b****s. Do you know what that's the sound of? Sex. Sauce is ready, chicken's ready, your girl's ready, and guess what? The food's not even in the oven yet. That's how good the is. We're making a chicken parm sub. If you call that shit a hoagie, I'm going to find your address and track you down. It sounds disgusting. Hoagie. Oh, did you take a hoagie, honey? Hoagie sounds like you shit your pants. Yeah. Make sure you follow, subscribe, tell your friends. I'm Chef Asshole.